In this video, let's talk about how to use Gemini AI for translations. Whether you're trying to use Gemini for basic translations or use it to understand cultural context, you can get both the meaning and the context of the sentence as well. So for example, if you want to translate a basic sentence, you can add in the language that you want to translate to or the language that you want to translate from. This way is going to give you the exact translation and the meaning along with different options as well. Now, instead of a basic text, if you want to translate an entire paragraph, you can also do that as well. Now, not every sentences or words between languages do mean the exact thing. So, for example, a proverb in English could mean different things in different languages. If you want to know the exact cultural context, you can also use Gemini for it. So those are the few situations where you can use Gemini AI for translations. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.